All right, so we're in the garage and I got a little project here with the shelves and I needed a Skil Saw. And so I got this one here, which is quite impressive for what it is and how much it costs. 35 bucks, you get a whole saw. It's quite heavy. It comes in this package. We can see it's a 13 amp, which is the standard. So you get the saw and the blade and you get all of your normal functions here. And here's a little more information about the saw. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is how it comes in. We got the cord here that actually has a little grip to itself. 2-prong, pretty heavy duty looks like. So the materials are mostly plastic, the shield, obviously the body. This part is metal. And we also have a tool here. Tell you there how to use it, but it's for this nut here to unscrew it so you can put the blade on. But yeah, pretty crazy. The exhaust for the motor, we even got branding there. Got the lock, so you can go one way or the other to unlock it. Safety. So yeah, this is all plastic, but I mean overall really good for what it is. Let's see what else we got here. Naturally the manual, and the blade looks like it came out of its little protector here. Even having a blade, it's actually I think a carbide blade. See the little tips there. So this is good for pretty much, you know, normal cutting. But if you want to do more fine cutting, you got to get more teeth. Yeah, oh, here we go. So it's an 18 tooth carbide teeth, 7 1/4, the standard. So yeah, you get everything you need to start cutting. So let's go ahead and get that bolt off so we can put the blade on. And the way that's done is there's a little lock right here. You got to push it down. So if it doesn't go all the way, you just got to keep turning this until it drops. And that's going to lock this from turning. And then we can unscrew the bolt in the middle here. See if I can do it all with one hand. There we go, yeah, I broke it loose. So it just unscrews normally, lefty-loosey. Just like that. So we do have this little spacer that we need to take out. So there's 2 parts of it. There's a washer behind there and you want to leave the washer. So the washer is just kind of like a spacer also. That needs to stay in. And then bringing the shroud up. Not easy to do it with one hand, but yeah, you're going to move the shroud like this so you can get the blade in. Yeah, the blade just will go just like that. So you're going to do the branding going out. So now we're going to put this washer back on here and it lines up. There's 2 little flat grooves. Kind of see it there. Make sure that falls in, lines up, and now we can tighten our bolt. So again, you're going to hold this down so the shaft doesn't spin, and then you're going to tighten it. So the way it tightens it, it actually compresses the blade together. That's what holds the blade. So I'm holding the button, and now just tightening this bolt. There we go. And that should be good right there. So we're pretty much ready to use it. Untwisting, cut the cable loose here. So it looks like about 5-6 feet maybe. Not bad. Plug it into the wall. Let's see what it sounds like. So yeah, sounds like a normal Skil Saw and definitely feels powerful enough, and with the 13 amps, it definitely should be. So yeah, if you are looking for a budget Skil Saw, it's really hard to beat this, as you have all the functionality of the degrees and the lowering and raising, just like a normal Skil Saw would have. So yeah, pretty great value for the money here.